how to schedule the night light in your Windows 10. And okay guys, here in your screen, go to Start menu on the lower left side on your screen. And after that, go to Settings. In Settings, go to System. In System, go to Display. And Display, you can see here the night light settings button here. Okay, you can click this. And here in night light settings, you can see the schedule. And the schedule night light is off. First is switch on the switch button to turn on the schedule. And okay, after that, you can see here the sunset to sunrise is set into 7 p.m. to 5:41 a.m. Okay, you'll have to do is select the set hours here. And for my example, I set the turn on into 8 p.m. and the turn off is 6 a.m. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully scheduled the night light in your Windows 10 PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.